Hi, I'm Tadao of Madaskaerude. Madaskaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, this is the continued video of 68 Baja Bug Transmission Overhaul. It's been about 2 or 3 months, I think, since I worked on the transmission, and today I put the axle cover to the transmission, and finally the transmission unit is put on the car, and that's a big achievement. And that is a little bit tough process if you are working alone, but I just used the jack and they successfully loaded the transmission to the car. So this is how it went. So next step is I'm gonna put this guy through this and close off this cover, and so that is the original seal. I think I got the paper one that I think I purchased the seal kit for the transmission. I remember I got this kind of hexagonal seal, so I'm gonna put this. I'll probably use the some sealant. So I'm thinking about using this sealant for here. And then first I'm gonna clean this a little bit. It's been a while since last time, so I clean everything with WD-40 and start putting back together. So I noticed that this guy has the multiple thing, and I believe this guy is actually adjusting the gap so that this part gonna swing freely. So I'm gonna measure the thickness of this and try to match the thickness with this, because this is different material. It's paper. This is different. I might use this guy, original one. I'm actually indecisive which is better. Maybe using original might be good because it's not really damaged. And then it ensures the same thickness. I'll try to clean this up. Well, I'll think about it. I think I'm gonna go with this new one. I measured the thickness of this. This is probably, so this is the thickness. One paper is not really thick enough. It's easy, but I think two is probably a little bit thicker than the original one. But the material is different. I don't know how many is good. I'll try 2 or 3, maybe 3. A little bit loose side though. But this guy has been compressed a lot, so and this guy has 3. So I think I'm gonna try 3 at the beginning, and since it's layered like this, I don't think this guy gonna work efficiently, so I think I'm gonna go without it. So I'm gonna put this guy, and I noticed these extra holes on one direction orientation. It's only here. So I align this, and if I see the other side, these 3 holes are toward the top. I don't know why, but I think I'm gonna do it this way, and then put this guy back together. Check the other side, this flange, whether there's any pin for these 3 holes, but I couldn't find anything, and I don't think this is directional. I'll just put this guy like this. Put this. And I'm gonna check. I think this will be fine. Maybe two loose. It may be too loose. Of course, it's 3. I think I'm gonna go with 2. Okay, I tightened it before the torque wrench. I think this is still movable and a little bit tight. I think this is good. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the torque wrench. Okay, I used the 22 foot-pound. I don't know if this number is correct or not, but I think the 22 is good number here. Okay, I'm gonna put the. I think I'm gonna do the other same thing on the other side, but I'm gonna skip the video. Okay, now I'm gonna put the axle boot here, and I think direction of this is actually that rotate, but this guy is going up. I think these are the bolt, and one more here, and I think this is the orientation. And make sure this orientation, I'm gonna put this boot here. Okay, it's nice and tight, so I'm gonna do the other side also. Okay, now I think this unit is ready to be put back there. So I'm gonna put this transmission on the jack and jack up a little bit to load it there. Okay, it's on. I have to just tighten the bolt, but this is now on the frame. So I already put the that cable or ground cable on the left, and I have two nuts there. I cannot really access the camera there, so I just gonna put the nut there and tighten it. Okay, I'm gonna put the bolts here, and also I think I can lower the jack now. So luckily I have 27 millimeter socket. This guy. Okay, so the transmission is mounted to the car. That's good. So I think I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna stop my video here. I have to work on this part, and then a clutch cable, and also mount the engine, and they're gonna be finishing this job. So I think I need probably at least two more videos, depending on the time per day I can spend. But anyways, this is a big progress. I hope it will be running. This guy gonna be running soon. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.